I love my friends to the Green Oaks High Prep.
Awesome. At Arlington Baptist University?
Yes.
Nice.
So one of your big dreams is to live with a roommate.
I need a more time with my bro, with Ryan.
Do you guys do your own cooking?
Yes.
Yes.
You and Nina did something together.
Who's doing the queso?
No, they made the avocado sauce.
They did both.
Yeah,
Oh,
both.
they did
Yeah.
Oh,
Both. Nina is my bestie and my best friend.
you're such a good connector. I think that's my favorite quality about you is you have a way of bringing people together and making them feel loved and connected.
Okay, high five. Amazing.
love
Dance
you.
floor tonight. You're
Yeah.
bringing it.
I can't
Get
wait.
a preview. Let me get a
Do you
preview of
wanna
your move.
show-
Show me your move.
Oh.
Do the move that you did today when you were trying to make Ruby laugh.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna bring this.
All right, show us the dance move. Oh.